Hey everyone, friends, this is Velosh here. Today I'll show you how to add a mod pack to the launcher. So first I'm going into CurseForge. Here we select any pack, click the button and install. Once it appears for you, click on it here. Click the three dots and click Open Folder. In the folder, go to the Mods folder. Now press Ctrl A. Basically, select everything. All the mods that are in the launcher and copy them. Click the copy button. Then click on mods here, click create, name the pack, select the game version, it's shown here for you, 1.21.1 in my case. Then click create. Here we select Forge. My game runs on Forge, but if yours is on Fabric, then Fabric works fine too. Now click create. Launch the game here, select it, launch the game. And after you launch the game, click on the folders icon here, click on mods. Here are all the existing mods. And now paste the ones we copied earlier. That's it, you can play now. This was Velosh. See you later.